Hi everybody, this is my first video ever and I'm going to be doing a first impressions video on Shakes and Fidgets. Be mindful, I've never played this game before. This is my first time entirely and I thought this might be a fun way to start my channel. Playing a game I don't even know! Okay. Alright, so right now we're at the opening screen here, and from what I can see, I get to choose my outfit. Oh, okay. Alright, awesome.
Zero strength, zero dexterity, zero dodge, zero constitution, zero luck. Negative 1 strength plus 0 dexterity. 0 to you think elves are intelligent. They're usually portrayed as an intelligent race, especially in Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings, yeah. Dwarves, constitution and luck. I can see that. Goblins, dexterity plus 1 to luck. Definitely. Dark elves have intelligence, okay. And orcs have strength. Gnomes, World of Warcraft. Plus 2 to dexterity, plus 1 to luck. And demon, plus 3 to strength, plus 1 to constitution.
I'm gonna go with the gnome, just because I want to. And I'm going to start playing around. Hold on. Can I change it to a female? Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna change it to a female. Huh. That's pretty cool. I really like those eyes though, like I'm super bored with you, slanted. Yep, that's a good face too. Shall we do the questionable eyebrows? Like, nose. I'll keep that nose. Marvelous. I'm really liking that Wilma Flintstone hair color going on. So awesome. That's a World of Warcraft hairstyle, people. Right there. They have that. Yes. I can give her freckles, I can give her a scar, I can give her a flower on the side of her face, I'll give her a mole, make her like look so suave. Alright. So I could either be a warrior, a mage, or a scout. Mages are my go-to. Alright, I'm gonna save that. And I'm gonna make up a name. I'm gonna do Opal. And it wasn't taken. Woo! Save my Steam account, save my character there. Okay. My name is Shakes. You look like in need of some hints. Let's go to the tavern. Select it in the left hand menu or click the building in the city. Okay. Hall of Fame. Tavern. Ready for adventure? Complete quests to gain gold and XP. Talk to the quest giver at the table and pick a quest. Today the moon is in the constellation of the three-headed monkey. According to the prophecy, an adventurer can acquire a lot of XP. Afterwards, you can refresh yourself with beer. That sounds promising.
I'm gonna accept it. How do I accept it? Who's that? Yes, you. I should be quiet. I hear that a spy's in the area. Anyway, I've got some super secret missions for you. Maybe you're interested. Maybe.
Do you have the time for a great quest? I need the bones of a fallen hero. Someone just like you. Only more dead. Go to the Stumble Steep. Get a minimum of 3 there and come back to me. Don't forget, bad news is never rewarded. I think it's transferring blah blah blah. I think it's transferring me to it. Transferring. Magic. 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 I just beat it. Hey. The Nutty Natter. I gotta do it. Okay, I'm gonna just accept. I'm not even gonna read that. So, like, again, it's working. It's like I said, magic kind of thing. So far, no gameplay where I have to actually walk or control the character in such a form, or actually really do anything. It's kind of almost like loading screen, loading screen, loading screen, magic. You completed the quest. Seriously? Wait a minute, I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay. Save the fight. I won the quest. Let's just keep clicking on this stuff, I guess, until the thirst for adventure. It's gonna take a long time from what I can see. I'm level 2. Woo! So.
I did 13 damage. Just gonna keep working on. Oh my god, that looks awesome. That's 2 gold. I have 2 gold.
I don't have enough for those. Okay, I just gotta do more quests. I just got a new... Oh, I can add... You see, I just never played this game before. Alright, so let me talk to this ogre looking guy here. Not bad, not bad. My gosh. It gets bigger quests. I hope you have balls, as my quests are not designed for weaklings. Take a look at what I have. Wait. If that be the case, then let me at least. Click here. The man. Oh, that thingy. Yes. Yes. You look like someone who would do anything for a few gold pieces. I want this thingy. What's it called? Well, you know, the thingy. Travel to Nevermore, perform the ancient rain dance, and it will fall from the sky. Hurry up. You know that I cannot live without it. Any questions? It's like, at the same time, I'm so anxious to know.
Oh, cool. A magic shop. Let's just go to the stable. He sells you mushrooms. Okay. That's 10 gold. 25 mushrooms. That's 5 gold. 1 gold? The cow is 1 gold. Wow, okay. The quest is over. 20, 19, 18, 17. So far the gameplay's pretty smooth. But I'm getting a little bored of it already.
I beat him though, so I got 86 silver. Let's see, dungeons. The dungeons. To enter a dungeon, you need the required key. You will find it on a quest once you are ready. Okay. Got it. 1 gold. 53 silver. Do the one with the most gold. And it gives me gloves. Accept. Yes. Woohoo. So far, it's too shabby. I like the game. Something to pass the time. Something that won't really take too much effort to play. Doesn't really require strategy. I guess when you're putting your character together in the weapon shop and the magic shop, you have to put a little strategy into it on how well you would spend your points or your mushrooms or your money. I said points, I'm sorry.
So we're waiting on the quest. Quest is called A Bag of Peanuts. I hope I get it. Because if I do, then I'm gonna save up for the cow. That's my first round. It makes things more speedy. And I get a pair of gloves out of it. Yay! I like the fact that you can save the fight. There's just dude sitting there. He looks like a tourist. I'm level 3.
Okay, so I gotta move. Alright, so we're gonna back to this guy here. Problems of the third kind, 46. The golden armor, 22. Big plan, 16. Oh my god. Not enough. Alright, we'll do this one. So, oh, okay, I see. It speeds up the time. You having a mount speeds up the time of the quests, pretty much. So what would have taken a minute is actually taking me like a couple of seconds, like 30 seconds at most. I guess that's pretty cool. So I have to save up for a better mount. I just defeated a toxic alien. Toxic alien. Toxic alien. Look, he's still there. Open the shop. He doesn't give up, man. Ooh! With this one, I get a mustache. With this one, I get... This one, I get so much more experience. I'm just gonna take the one with the experience. The skull and bone and crossbones. Yeah, in the comments below if you guys want to leave like suggestions or anything that I can do that would make my videos more interesting. I've never done this before, but I do have an affinity for games. I do like a lot of games. I always wanted to make a channel where I could, you know, share my love of games with people and get better at it too, because I've always been called a noob when playing games, so sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. It all depends. Ooh. Well, no, what I have is better. This gives me more XP. So we're just waiting. Again. Hello! Magic. I'll also do an introduction video about myself and what kind of games I like and how many games and what kind of games I've played. If that makes sense. A mysterious crystal. Magic. I don't know, I feel like I should be like there should be like some this kind of like Legend of Zelda music, like when he opens up the chest and goes da-na-na-na, or some kind of music leading up to what the end result of this quest is going to be. I'm seriously bored. I beat it. Nine hours. Ooh, I can build a fortress. I need to be level 25 to build a fortress. But I wanted to build one. Can I build anything? No. I need to acquire cash as soon as possible. Okay guys, so now I'm on City Guard. I'm there for 9 hours, so the game is officially over. meaning that I will not be playing anymore, and I will be playing tomorrow sometime in the afternoon when this thing informs me that I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead, come here. I'm level 26. I'm sorry, I'm level 6. I am level 6. Sassy gnome with a problem. Sassy gnome with a problem. Never stops having an opinion and searches for adventures constantly. Contact me on my soul gnome. My soulgnome.com. If you think you're ready. I crack myself up sometimes. So Sassy Gnome with a problem never stops having an opinion and searches for adventures constantly. Contact me on my soulgnome.com if you think you're ready. Alright, so that's enough for today, guys. I will be making a new video on Monday that will be up and running on Tuesday. So look out for that. So this is my first video. I should be making 2 videos that'll be up for Tuesday. If the introductions video is done and I have no problems with it, especially the editing and everything, then that will be up on Monday. But definitely my first League of Legends video will be up on Tuesday. Just gotta see if on Monday it will, just gotta work out the kinks, really. Just have to see on Monday if I can actually get OBS and League of Legends running smoothly enough to record it. If I can't, then I will tweet. So make sure you follow, like, subscribe. Links will be at the bottom of the video, so make sure you do what you gotta do. And yeah, I'd like any type of constructive criticism, especially for my videos, just to see what I can do better. I know that when everybody starts out, it's kind of getting comfortable with the camera and getting comfortable with your own personality and being able to show it to everybody else out there who watches your videos. So just trying to get a little comfy, and would definitely like your input as well. If you play any games, you can find me on Twitch. I'm not streaming as of yet, as I need new gear, so I probably will be posting already, pre-recorded videos, just because I have a laptop, I don't have a desktop, and I'm working on actually building a super pink gaming computer. It's gonna be epic and amazing. When that happens, I will introduce you to the people who will help me with the process, what we're buying, what we're not buying, what the case is gonna look like, because I may either be buying a pink case already made by the manufacturer, or making my own pink case. So I will let you know how that goes when we get there. So for now, it's my first video. Be gentle,